Hello guys, welcome to class. We are studying 8th standard Marathi language. My name is Vishal Hood. I am your teacher just now. Marathi start with Marathi basic. We have Uncle P called is O, then A, likewise. A is a swar. After that we have Vyanjans K, K, yeah. Then number is 1 म्हणजे एक. It's not एक. Where is K? This K एक and then 2. 2 means दोन. After that we have we nothing have, only this. मला जेवण करायचे आहे. First sentence means I want to eat. How we can sound it? No. Close. Yes. I want to eat. Translate in Marathi, we should say मला जेवण. No, sorry, it's not जेवण. It's जेवण करायचे. मला जेवण करायचे आहे. Yes. Now read this. I want to eat. Then Marathi sound like मला जेवण करायचे आहे. We should eat. Second slide. Go to next slide. Plus. Okay. Then मला खेळायचे आहे. I want to play. I want to play. मला खेळायचे आहे. Yes. This is the second sentence we made. I want to play. That means मला खेळायचे आहे in Marathi. Yes. आता मला काय दे आणखी. Let's discuss another topic. What we have topic? We don't have topic.